Hey, future time managers, want to learn a cool way to never be late? Let's use the working backwards strategy to help Paul plan his morning so he can get to school 10 minutes early, stress-free. Here's how Paul does it. School start time, 9 o'clock a.m. Arrival goal, Paul wants to be there by 8:50 a.m. That's 10 minutes early. Bike time, it takes 15 minutes to ride to school, so he should leave home at 8:35 a.m. Prep time, Paul needs 30 minutes to get ready, making it 8:05 a.m. to start prepping. Wake up time, add 15 minutes to wake up and get out of bed, setting his alarm for 7:50 a.m. By planning backwards from his school arrival time, Paul ensures he's ready and relaxed for a great day at school. Try this method for your school or any appointments. Smash that like button if you love being on time. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.